ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, drawing the figure first. ABCD is a parallelogram. G is a point on AB. Hmm. AG is equal to 2 times GB. Okay, this point. AG equal to 2 times GB. Okay, next one. E is a point on DC. Okay. Hmm. CE is equal to 2 times D. Why? CE is equal to 2 times D. Acha. Okay, okay. Then correct. Then correct. Then this side it will be. Next one. F is a point on BC. BF equal to 2 times FC. FC is somewhere here. BF equal to 2 times FC. Simple. Prove that. What are the 5 bits? Okay. So let's write the given first. This is R.D. Sharma. We are doing this from R.D. Sharma. Okay. Your paper is there, no? You have your paper. Where is your paper? Me paper? At home. Okay. ABCD is a parallelogram. I am reading the question again for Shreya's concern. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. G is the point on AB. G is the point on AB such that AG equal to 2 times GB. AG equal to 2 times GB. And E is a point of DC. E is a point of DC such that C equal to 2 times D. C equal to 2 times D. Okay. And F is a point on BC such that BF equal to 2 times FC. That's it. Prove that. Okay. Given you will write ABCD parallelogram. ABCD. AG equal to 2 times GB and C equal to 2 times D, and you have BF equal to 2 times FC. And to prove, what is to prove? First bit, area of ADEG equal to area of GBCE. Okay, first bit. Second bit, area of triangle EGB equal to 1/6 of area of ABCD. Okay, next one, third one, area of triangle EFC equal to half of area of triangle EBF. Fourth bit, area of EFG triangle EBG triangle equal to area of EFC triangle. The last one is find what proportion of area of parallelogram is the area of EFG. Find what proportion of area of parallelogram is triangle EFG. Correct. This is the problem. You did only this bit, na? You also did this bit, only one bit in the examination. You could not do the remaining bit. Change. But I will see. See, you are going with bigger methods, long cuts. Na kaise? That I want short, best and short methods that we will go with. Okay. First bit I just watch. Second bit onwards you can continue in the notes. Okay. Whatever it is. You also. Right. You can write. Okay. ADEG. This one. ADEG equal to area of GBCE. GBCE. Okay. GBCE. This area and this area are equal. You have to prove. So first one, what you will do? First, what you will do? Okay, base. What is the height? You will draw the perpendicular. Okay, then okay, that's okay. So we will draw the perpendicular here. Here also you will draw the perpendicular. Okay, sir, good. Any perpendicular because both are parallels, na? And you know that both are. This is the most important point you need to use. And you should understand that this GB equal to D. అంతే అదే నేను అంటాను. That's what I want to tell. Okay. See, now what you will do is you have this base, these two are equal, AG and EC are equal by area of the trapezium, which is equal to half into height into sum of the parallel sides. Both will be equal. Therefore, both the areas of trapeziums are equal. This you proved. उसके लिए इतना बड़ा क्यों लिखा? Why there is a need of writing very big story? Oh, ठीक है. Okay, I will do it for the sake of online. I will do this. In parallelogram ABCD, AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD. Okay, and AB parallel to CD. Now what we have? The two sides. AB you can write it as AB. This AB you can write it as AG plus GB, and CD you can write it as CE plus D. Right? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. That वही मुझे चाहिए था actually. Okay. And this GB you can write in terms of AG, right? GB. Okay, you will write AG, huh? Okay, whatever you want. It's up to you, yaar. I'm not. There is no problem. AG is equal to 2 times GB. So 2 times GB plus GB equal to C. What is C? 2 times D. 2 times D plus D. Therefore, 3 times GB equal to 3 times D. Therefore, GB equal to D. This is the most important thing here. If there is some part is equal, the remaining will also be equal. Okay. So if AB minus GB equal to CD minus D, therefore the remaining is what? AG equal to EC. This is the first one. This is the second one. Two only inferences that are required. Now you will put area of trapezium. Formula you know na? The same one you will put. Easily you will get. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. What is the required one? ADEG. 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 ADEG is equal to half into height into parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides. Half into height. What is height? Height is मान लो h. मान लो h. Let us take h. What is the use? No problem. Sum of the parallel sides. AG plus D. Okay. AG plus D. Now area of remaining one GBC. That is also half into height into parallel sides. What is parallel side? GB plus C. EC or C, whatever, both are same. Okay. This GB, the GB here, GB equal to D. GB equal to D and AG equal to C. Therefore, we can write it as put 1 and 2 here. So it will become half into H into GB. In the place of GB, you can write D. And in the place of C, you can write AG. Therefore, area of ADEG is equal to area of GBC. How much short I wrote? Why Sharan one full like Mahabharat you are reading? This much. First proof over. This is first part proof. I will go with the second part proof. Clear na? Okay? Clear? Okay, I will go to the second part. Small rain, mist rain is coming. కొద్దిగా మిస్ట్ అంటారు దాన్ని మిస్ట్ డ్రిజిల్ అంట కరెక్ట్ డ్రిజిల్ క్రికెట్ ఫాగ్ పండు క్రికెట్ చూసి అలవాటైంది డ్రిజిల్ రైనింగ్ పిచ్ ఈజీబీ equal to 1/6 of area of ABCD. So EGB now you can draw a perfect line now between these two. Till now we draw lines. Why I don't know what is happening. Okay. Now okay na? EGB 1/6 of area of ABCD का पूरा ABCD का area. How you will do now? We have that. Now let us take this ABE triangle. So we will prove that it's already equal to half of that, and we have to divide this. Now this GB and AG. We have two such things. So this area, these two are in the ratio of 2:1. 2:1 ratio. If these are two parts, this is one part. Raining. If this is two part, it is one part. Then what will happen? Do construction. Put one median. Then these two triangles are equal in areas. Now what you need to prove? Just these two congruence you prove. Can prove congruence, na? If this is half area means these two sides are equal. What your doubt? Half area. This is half area. Now these are on the same base and between the same parallels. Therefore their areas are equal. We prove over. Three parts. Okay. This you didn't in the examination. If the drawing was correct, na, if the drawing is correct, everything will go correct. That is the main importance of drawing. Now, put construction here. Draw a median. Draw a median. What you want to take this median as H. EH to divide the triangle. Which triangle? AEG. Therefore, now area of triangle AEH is equal to area of triangle EHG. Because why reason? Median divides a triangle into two equal areas or halves, whatever you want to write. Okay. Okay. Now AG equal to 2 GB. This is from given. We have from given. Right now. This is from given. Now AG ka half. AG by 2 equal to GB. You know already. So AG by 2 is what? EH is the median. Na? Therefore AG by 2 means HG. EH is median. Therefore, triangles on the I am writing theorem. Therefore, area of EHG equal to area of EGB, na? EGB. Triangles on same base and between same parallels. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. So from 1 and 2, sorry, earlier we used 1 and 2, na? Now we put 3, this is 4. From 3 and 4, we have area of AEH equal to area of EHG equal to area of EGB. Clear? And area of AEB equal to half of area of parallelogram ABCD. Reason? You can write, na? Triangle and parallelogram on same base and between same parallels. Right, same base, na? AB is the same base for AEB and between the same parallels. Therefore, now you will be putting AEB. What is AEB? Area of AEH plus area of EHG plus area of EGB equal to half area of ABCD. Now what we know, EGB is equal to all three are equal. So you can write 3 times area of EGB equal to half area of ABCD. Therefore, area of EGB equal to, if 3 are going that side, it will become 1 by 6. 1 by 2 into 3. 1 by 6 area of ABCD. Second proof is over. This is proof, not construction. EFC. Next I am seeing EFC. Where is EFC? EFC equal to half of area of EBF. EFC equal to half of area of EBF. Same procedure. Sharan. Same procedure. కొత్తది ఏం లేదు ఇందులో కూడా. Same procedure. Construction, whatever I am drawing with blue. This also I should draw with blue only. పడుతుంది, but not that much. I. Let us take I. Now here, it is increasing. Rain is increasing. Do fast. 3 I am doing. See, just I am changing. Draw a median. EI. Acha, RD Sharma is with you only, no? To divide the what to divide the BF. EBF triangle EBF. This is not here. To divide the triangle EBF. Now what you will write in the proof? Area of triangle EBI, not CBI, EBI. What happened? Thinking, huh? I thought you are finding any errors in this solution. This is part number 5. Reason is same. Now you have here the second one, this side one, BF, BC, this one. BF equal to 2FC. Good. It is given. So BF by 2. Same proof, writing again, that's it. Length is becoming y because you have to write again. BF by 2 is how much? IF. IF equal to EC. FC. Because EI is the median. Area of EIF equal to area of EFC. That is what we need. ओवरऑल मिलाने से क्या होगा? EBI, EFI और EIF और EIF डाल देते हैं. EFI और EIF are same and this is EFC. Writing or not writing? हाँ? What श्रेया? कुछ बोलो. Want to listen? बोलो. हाँ? Writing. Good. Therefore EFC, not EFC, EBC. EBC equal to half of area of parallelogram ABCD. No, this is not required, ना. तो तीनों प्रूव कर लिया तो हो गया बस. That's it. So parallelogram is not required. This part is not required. यहाँ तक ठीक है. यहाँ से हम करते हैं. These three are equal. Now you are adding area of EBI, area of EBI plus what is written EBH क्यों लिखा है? H तो है ही नहीं वहाँ. EBI है. गलत तो बोलना चाहिए ना. EBI है. EBI plus area of EI F. If you both add these two, okay, it will become how much? How much times? 2 times area of EFC, right? Both are because it is EFC, so 2 times EFC. So you both, if you do both add this, then it will become area of EBF equal to 2 times area of EFC. Therefore, area of EFC equal to half times area of EBF. That's what we need. See, ये तो इससे भी सिंपल है.